Hello, my name is Sari.
Hi, Sari. What are you gonna do today?
That's this one snow.
Sari's gonna do a do-it-yourself snow. And what are you gonna use for this activity? What do you have there?
I have a spoon and
You have your spoon, a bowl, a mixing bowl, and baking soda, and corn
beef.
cornstarch.
Yeah,
What's this?
cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Yeah.
And you only need equal parts of both ingredients. And you also need water. And you've got molds as well, okay?
And I have this.
Okay, so let's try and do this one. I hope it's a successful one, right?
What are we going to do?
Okay, first we need to mix both your ingredients. So we only have, so this is a very simple mixture. So you only have equal parts of baking soda,
We need
baking soda, and cornstarch. All right.
what are we going to do?
Okay, can you mix them in the bowl? Just put everything.
This?
Yep. Alright, slowly, slowly. Okay. And then you put, what's the next ingredient? What is that? Corn
Corn beef.
starch.
We need to put it.
Yes, please. Slowly, slowly. It's powdery. What color are your ingredients? What color?
White.
White. They're white because what's the color of snow?
They're white.
They're white, right? When they fall from the sky, they're actually color white. Alright. Okay, can you try and mix both ingredients? Okay, gently. Mix them evenly. Slowly. Nice. Good job, Sari. Mixing, Sari's mixing and mixing. Have you seen snow before? Are you sure? You haven't seen actual snow? Not yet, but hopefully soon we can, right? So what's the difference of this do-it-yourself snow from the real snow? Is this one cold?
No.
No, it's
Yeah.
not cold.
It's cold.
But real snow is cold, right? Okay, so slowly we need to add,
Water.
mix. Okay, that's it. Okay, now so it's done, and we placed it on into a tray. So Sari can now start playing with her do-it-yourself snow. Can you try if it's gonna hold? Okay, so you already made a bowl. What is that?
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
I make another one.
Flatten that part and then use the mold so you can see the shape. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Nice.
I want to make us.
So cool. So if you put the water, just try to put the right amount
Yeah.
of water so that they will hold. Yep.
Yes.
Ooh. It's just like playing with snow, right, Sari? Nice. But that one is not cold.
Yeah. It's hot. It's hot.
Hard.
Yep. See?
It can be.
It's hot.
Ah, yeah. You're trying to flatten it.
It's hot.
And look, when it falls, try to do that. Try to make a snow falling. Nice.
Oh, the cold.
Yeah. Oh. Trying to make a lot of snowfall. Snowstorm. That is so cool. Thank you for sharing that, Sari. Is it really fun playing with it? Okay. That's nice.
Whoa!
Wow!
I made a ball.
Show me.
Ball.
Yeah. A very tiny snowball.
I make a snow ball.
Make a snowball.
Let me make a ball. I make it.
Okay. Go make it. Try to do it
Can't.
on your own.
Now put some sprinkles.
Mm-hmm.
Sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle.
That's a lot of molds. How many molds do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 molds.
And 2.
7,
7. And 8.
8 molds. Nice. Thank you. Thank you, Sari.
I make a bigger one. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.